Hello everybody, this is Technicya. In this video tutorial, I will show you to use one keyboard and mouse with different machines. First of all, download the application. You can find the link of this application in the description of this video. Install the same application in all the laptops. Now here I am going to install the same application in all the three laptops. Open the app and assign your own 16 characters key. But it's recommended to use the key that this application generates. Here I am assigning my own key. Click apply. Use the same key in all the machines, but be sure that all the machines are connected to the same network, same Wi-Fi or LAN. On the third machine, I am also assigning the same key. Click apply. This will connect all the machines. Now here you can see I can move the mouse between the two machines. Here you can also copy the files, drag and drop from one screen to the other. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.